So today we're learning how to use this 3D pen. So the way it works is that you insert the filament and you keep drawing with it anything three-dimensional. So let's begin. I've here actually assembled this I plugged it in, and here it's time to turn it on. It doesn't have a battery. So now it says PLA, okay? And we click here to choose ABS, click again to choose PLA, and to confirm your selection. PLA and ABS is the name of the filament. And here, this means slow, this means fast. Slow barely even brings anything, so do fast. And here, you click down to confirm, and you can reduce the temperature. So 160 is the minimum for PLA, and 190 is the minimum for ABS. So it's supposed to be on 160. So you click here to confirm. Now it's heating up. The number is on the screen, the temperature. Once the light is green, and that means it's ready. So now you pick any random color, any color you want. We'll go with red, even though it's almost out of red. So you place it in and click down. You see it will make a sound and it will start dropping. Once it starts dropping, wait for the red, and that's your filament. So it will start with a random color, then when it's completely red, that means you can remove it. Okay? And then, for example, let's draw with it. So we're gonna start by clicking here, and then you go like this. It's supposed to be on this transparent paper. If you want to trace, well, just draw it on a paper and put it under. This paper is transparent. So now do this side. First do the outline, and then do the inside. Okay, so now it's time to color it in. So the heart I made, but it broke. So here's how to stick two things together. Just get it, turn it on,
والمحشي قطر والدي والبصل
and stick them together by actually filling it with filament. And now we have the heart. So if we want to remove it, we just click up. If you've ever used the filament you're using currently, just cut the end so it doesn't get. So there's also transparent, and we are gonna put it back. So this tie wrap is on. Let's just remove it. Just click. Wait. noise. That means it started. But then we have to wait for the transparent or whatever color you're using. Sometimes it doesn't make sound, but
Mozzarella.
most of the time it does. So
Mozzarella.
it keeps mixing until it's completely the color you want. What color you get before it,
وعيد
Depends on-
البوكيمان.
the previous color. So if it's taking too long, turn it off and back on. So look, I made this circle or anything with a hole in it for to make it a keychain. So now we're gonna do this, connect it out like that. Yeah, we're gonna have this. I'm gonna put it here. And now I'm gonna do this. Make it go this way. Then we're gonna do this. Like that.
Lopez.
And now this is the heart keychain.